Hi guys, it's Charla here. So today I'm gonna show you how to do a low carb version of Jamaican beef soup. So now I'm just gonna show you the ingredients that you need. I'm using seasoned beef because I like to have some seasoning on the beef. As you can see that there's no scallion there because I didn't have any at the time when I was recording. The pumpkin is already mashed already, so it'll be easier to work with. You can use some baby corn instead if you don't want to use that. The soup mix is actually a pumpkin soup mix that I made myself from scratch, and I'll put the recipe in the description box. So now we're going to bring the water to the boil. This is a very important step. You do not want to miss this step, or this will have an impact on the texture of the beef. Now you're going to just add the beef. I am using lean beef because it has fewer calories and it does not require pressure cooking. So this is what it looks like now. As you can see, the beef is starting to cook, and we're gonna add our pumpkin. So the pumpkin is already mashed out for us, which is so much easier to work with. And we're gonna add all of that. Just add all of the pumpkin in there, and we're just gonna give it a quick stir as well. And now I'm just gonna add my okra, my chocha, and carrots. And you just want to make sure all of it is in the pot. You want to just keep adding it. Just add it in stages, because you want to make sure that the pot does not overfill. And next I'm just going to add all of the corn. Just add them one by one. And again, you want to make sure that your pot is not too full. Mine is looking good right now, so I'm good to go. So now I'm adding the bundles of thyme, and then I'm going to add my pimento. So now I'm going to add my pumpkin soup mix. As I said, it's homemade, and I will leave the link to that in the description box. And I'm also adding my scotch bonnet as well. And now you just want to make sure everything is incorporated, you just want to make sure that all of it is in the pot and it's incorporated. And you just want to cover the pot over, and you're just going to leave it to simmer down until it thickens and the vegetables are cooked. So now we're going to take the lid off the pot, and then we're going to remove the scotch bonnet. Just take that out, make sure it doesn't burst. And now we want to remove the thyme stem. See how easy it is to remove it when you just tie them together. And you just want to add your salt, pepper, and garlic to taste. Just add all of that in, and just give it a quick stir. Just stir everything together, and see, all of it is done now. So your soup is ready to be served. It's not as thick as other soups, so you might want to add some starch. It's up to you, but it's still thick enough. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching the video.